Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya akan memaparkan dalam acara internasional Conference on Social Political Administration and Communication Science atau disingkat dengan ICOSPEX. Judul Employment Policy Innovation for Vocational High School Graduate in Banten the Era of the COVID Pandemic. Inovasi kebijakan penanggulangan pengangguran lulusan SMK di Banten era pandemi COVID-19. Abstract. The purpose reading an article entitled Policy Innovation for Overcoming Employment in the Era of COVID Pandemic by Thinking a Simple at the Vocational High School, Banten Province is the article The Art of a Breakout Solution in terms of thinking a policy in overcoming employment, which is very beneficial for the world, business and industry. Employment is the problem with the government and the stakeholder in society in order to find the root of the problem to be resolved. Approval through discussion making of the policy breakout. Introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic is test of the resilience of a nation including Indonesia, quoting Singapore Ministry of Foreign Affairs Vivian Balakrishnan. The COVID-19 pandemic is a acid test, a rapid test, visibility test for the resilience of the public health, social capital and government system. This multidimensional crisis due to the COVID pandemic has come so quickly and has exposed the fragility of a country in various fields, and Adnan et al. 1919. In the health sector, the pandemic for the fragility of the country is various fields. In the health sector, this pandemic, for example, saw how inadequate and very distributed health facilities in the many countries, including the United States and Italy, which were various considered to be quite advanced in public health facility. Not only in terms of the availability of hospital and medical personnel, this crisis has also exposed the fact of the lack and uneven distribution of facilities in the field of health, laboratories, testing, vaccine, and many countries. The economic field, the crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has developed with such which and caused a contraction of the global economy. Unlike various crises, it hit not only the demand side of the economy but also the supply side of the economy. Marianti et al. 1999. So that the pressure and growth is being felt in many countries. Various world the financial body estimate that the COVID-19 pandemic will cause a contraction of the world economy by 2% and 2.8% in 1919, from periods growing by the average of the 2.9% in the 1999. At the same time, COVID pandemic 19 is also expected to reduce global trade and investment flow by to up 13%, increase both financial marketing volatility by to up 19 and 5%. So into the methodology is article. The rating of the research use a quality methodology with a described research design, qualitative research method developed into the further search to see and analysis of policy innovation apart from observation and interview. Qualitative research is also search that does not use mathematical, statistical or computer model. And result and discussion and to 4 points, and 1 to the understanding about the coronavirus, and 2 analysis of public policy innovation approach, and 3 creating accessibility digital superior high school education in Banten province in Indonesia, and 4 toward a digital Superior Vocational School in Banten. The understand coronavirus. The definition of the corona is the positive single-strain RNA virus encapsulate and not segmented. Coronavirus belong to be order Pneumodirius family considered, but to analysis of the public policy innovation approach, it's the research implementation use analysis in public policy innovation because the research was to carry out during the COVID-19 pandemic, which was announced by the government and March 1919 saying the pandemic was infected by coronavirus disease 1919 COVID-19. The Indonesian government has implemented policy innovation several times. And point 3, creating acceptability of digital superior high school education in Banten Province, Indonesia. The acceptability of education service in overcoming the increase in the number of schools and the equal distribution of education at the digital superior vocational school in Banten has prepared its mission, which is contained the Regional Medium-Term Development Plan (RPGMDI) of Banten Province to anticipate employment problem, namely increasing access and equity of quality education service by program goal. 40. Toward to digital superior vocational school in Banten. The slogan in the flagship vocational school in Banten area, Banten Vocational School can be digital and superior in all things. This means that SMK graduate must be competent and competitive in the industrial world with graduates who are ready to use and ready to work industry. So vocational high school or SMK are digitally superior must be able to train young entrepreneurs in order to prepare ready to use personnel. And conclusion and recommendation. This study draw to the following conclusion, namely first, for SMK graduate in Banten, the COVID-19 pandemic also and increase the employment rates for SMK vocational school graduate. The fact of the large school social restricting policy as a form of government anticipation in controlling the transmission of the COVID-19 virus so that it doesn't spread. The impact as slowdown in economic growth in Banten and national. Second, regarding the existence of digital superior vocational high school in Banten Province, name 1. Quality teaching results. 2. It's necessary to have a curriculum at the mid standard for digital quality vocational student subject. 3. Link and match between the existing and vocational high school with the business and industrial world or duty. In the implement of vocational high graduate SMK must be obstetrician capacity for vocational school must continue to improve the world of business industry. 4. Equitability acceptance of the vocational high school secondary education in Banten Province, Indonesia must be every distribution in sub-article. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.